Hello, my name is Alex Algier. I'm a web and UX design student focused on building accessible, visually engaging websites that blend form with functionality. My specialties include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I approach every project with empathy and attention to detail. My goal is to create clean, responsive interfaces that are user-friendly, inclusive, and aligned with the best practices in modern web design. Welcome to my portfolio website, designed and developed as the capstone for my web and UX design program. The goal for this was to create a personalized and professional space that showcased my skills, projects, and design philosophy. The layout features a homepage, a projects page, a resume section, and a contact form. It's all wrapped up in a clean, responsive grid system. I took inspiration from Gothic and classic motifs while keeping usability in focus. The fonts that I used are included as Sincel Decorative and Chivo Mono. The Sincel Decorative used to enhance more of the Gothic aesthetic that I was aiming for, and the Chivo Mono in order to make things more readable. This also helped in communication between creativity and technical skill, and the color palette that was used was Deep Indigo, Goldenrod, and Charcoal, supported by Lavender for balance and contrast. These choices created a strong visual hierarchy without sacrificing readability. I used a CSS grid and a flexbox to ensure proper spacing and alignment across all screens. The site is fully responsive and optimized for accessibility, and I also have implemented thin sidebars in order to not obstruct any of the website itself or sacrifice any additional space. Navigation is consistent and easy to access, with everyone lighting up whenever you click on a new tab in order to access it, except for the contact, which automatically drops down. All images that are included have alt attributes, and semantic HTML is used to support screen readers. These decisions were made to ensure that the site is welcoming and usable for all audiences. One issue that I did have whenever I was coding this website was during the projects part of it, I had trouble with having these two set side by side together. I solved this by using grid containers with percentages, widths, and auto-fitting behaviors, which adapted to the screen size. Another issue was organizing the content without making a page feel crowded. Using a modular layout and consistent spacing helped me manage this visually while keeping the content easy to scan. This portfolio reflects my growth as both a designer and a developer. It highlights my attention to accessibility, design systems, and code structure, and I'm quite proud of how it turned out, and I'm quite excited to apply these skills into future professional projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear your feedback and connect.